Hello everyone, this is Carla and Arthur, and we're here to just give you an update of what we've been doing over the last year. It's been a while since you've seen us on YouTube, and we just want to give you a little update.
Well, a lot of you have been sending me messages, and you want to know how I'm feeling. I just want everybody to know that I'm doing great. My health is great. And the reason why you have not been seeing any videos is because we have been very busy since last October trying to develop a new program, which is a digital incubator. We needed something that we could try to get more boys in here because it's hard getting boys in here because everybody don't want to learn how to sew. So we had to find something that was created that will give boys a chance to use their creativity, and I'll let Carla kind of tell you about some of the things we're doing.
One of the first things that we started doing was developing a program where you could do graphic t-shirts. So we've been investing in the
different equipment like the heat press, cutters,
software.
Yeah, software.
Everything that we could do to get people ready so that they could create their own t-shirt designs.
And what we have learned is that graphic design is something that everybody thinks that you have to go to school and spend a lot of time and money in order to do that. But nowadays there's software that you can use, there's websites that you can use that makes it simple but allows you to be able to use your creativity. So we have invested into those things so people can come in here and within 2 hours they have learned how to create their own t-shirts, but not only just on t-shirts, you can do caps, we put it on leather, we put it on canvas, so we find many ways to use this process.
One of the other things that we're investing in is our kids. It's been a while since we've done a little bit more with kids, so we're also including them in this program because they have all these great wonderful ideas of what they want to see. So we're showing them how to use their drawings, whether they're in color or if they're a single color design, how they can take that and they can use that and they can start their own businesses also.
Yeah, because see, it's all about entrepreneurship. It's about showing people how to monetize the things that they like doing and how to use their creativity. So we're going to give you a tour of some of the things that we have invested in, and also I will show you a couple of bags that I'm working on. So just so you know that we are still going to be making videos, and matter of fact, probably within the next 2 weeks, we'll be releasing a video on a backpack that we're making. It's very simple. So let us give you a tour of what we have invested in right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is give you a tour of what we are doing, what we have invested in within the last year. And some of you have already seen some of the equipment we have and the computers that we have, but this is new, which is the heat press. We have purchased 2 heat press. We purchased this one right here, which is a swing arm, and then we also purchased this one right here, which is a clamshell. So we invested into 2 heat press, so a number of people can come in here and work at the same time. And this is Leah. She's working on some bow ties, and Leonard eating some chips. And this is a Cobra sewing machine that was donated to us, and I don't think we had this Thor the last time we did a video. We had just got the Thor, which is a great machine, and we have the post bed machine. So I'm going to kind of stand back. This is one of the shirts that we have done. And also, this is what I want to show you all too, is that this is the backpack that we're going to do a video on, showing you how to make this backpack. Very simple, It's very simple to make. So, and these are some golf club covers. This is a weeding table. So we just want to kind of give you an idea of what we have invested in, just so we can work with more young people, especially boys. Is like I say, that's been the hardest thing, is getting boys in here to be a part of what we do. And Carla she's working on a design. This is a design that she did, some t-shirts that she's taken to Mississippi with her. And this software, with this website that she's working in, is called CADWork Live. And if you get a chance, go on, take a look at it. It's a great website if you want to do any type of graphic designing. And this is the cutter that we invested in. So this allows us to do large jobs. So this is what we have been doing, is investing into a digital incubator, so people can come in here and work, because there are no other place in Dallas like this. So we want to make sure it's open to the public.
Over the past year, I've had a chance to work with Southwest Airlines. As we told you last year, we started working with them, and we started working with Repurpose with a Purpose with Southwest Airlines. One of their partners. And so I've gotten a couple of chances to go to other parts of the country to see what other nonprofits are doing. And I've gone to Boston, to the Classy.org to understand about fundraising. I've had a chance to go to Jacksonville, Florida, and meet with the Rethreaded organization that helps women come out of sex trafficking, and just got a chance to see all the wonderful things they're doing down there in Florida. And now we're here in the studio. We're getting ready to go to Mississippi, so we can just go and encourage some women who are in a small town in Mississippi, that they have value. What they know how to do and create also has value too. You can also now get our patterns digitally through our Etsy page. So if you're living in Russia or some other country where we can't mail it to you, then you'll be able to download it through our Etsy page, and you will receive a link from Etsy and be able to print it out right at home. The link is in the description box below. We have some exciting news from the company that helped create Project Runway. They're looking to start a new reality show about sewing. And so they're looking for amateur sewers, and you'll see a link in the video and also in the description box on how you can become a part of that.
All right, everybody, we just want to thank you for watching the video. We want to thank you for your support over the years. And Carla have a couple of things that she want to tell you about also.
We're excited to announce that in 2019, we're going to have our first graphic design festival, and that will include people from all age groups designing things that we're going to allow them to put on t-shirts. We're going to put on caps, just whatever we come up with. It'll be kind of like an opportunity to them to have a competition, but also be able to show off how they can design things and how it can benefit other nonprofits.
Yeah, they will. What they will be able to do is do posters. They will be able to do photography, video, but it also would allow other nonprofits to be a part of it. We have already started talking to. We're trying to bring in 12 nonprofits, and they can develop their own team of designers, and that's how we're going to develop the competition. And we're going to develop it so the youth, they are the judges. So they will be judged by their peers. So that's what we have going for 2019. And again, thank you.